Low float and heavily short ORIS lost 12.48% on Friday the 26th. Yes, Friday the 26th, Boxing Day. Lost 12.48%. Low float. It has been trading a lot of shares. The float is around 3 million. You can see here the 50-day average is around 8.142 million. It's the fact that it is a fractional penny stock is obviously one of the reasons. And of course, the short interest rate is almost 50%, so it has almost tripled its float. The float's around 3 million or thereabouts. So it is drawing a lot of attention. Okay, we got some sentiments around it. Yeah, it's got a Nasdaq compliance notice. Yeah, and it's expiring today, but it seems the shareholders have approved a share consolidation. Okay, and let's see now. Bottom line, the current narrative around the stock is firmly negative to neutral. Shares are extremely depressed and volatile. Fundamentals are weak with shrinking revenue and uncertain growth prospects. Okay, structural actions, dilutive offerings, share consolidation likely reflect attempts to stay listed and recapitalize, but not stronger growth signals. Speculative chatter exists, but mostly among penny stock traders, not long-term investors. So it has a low float. If it consolidates, then it might even get lower. That's yeah, it's still going to be a stock to watch in from now on. The extrapolation is on its 4-hour chart is for higher prices to remain in place, but no, before then, or the overall trend going all the way towards the 8th of January is for higher prices to kick in. But in the interim, in a very short term, for today's trading session, that is Monday the 29th, it's more of lower prices. But maybe towards the close of today's trading session, you might pick up some strength. Momentum is expected to remain strong going all the way towards the 31st of December. Maybe. I mean, one can rationalize that this might be what may happen, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that that will be what will happen at all. You know. Projections are currently saying 0.0508. It's a downward projection. 0.0293 downward projection. 0.0161 downward projection. Let's see now. I think it printed an intraday low on Friday the 26th. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, intraday low of 0.0578. Intraday high 0.1250 was on the 15th of December. Yeah, let's see what we have here. Yeah, 0.1250. Yeah, this was on the 10th in terms of projections. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I can't exactly say it's trending, but even if it's trending because it's a fractional penny stock, you wouldn't even know because it may not come up on the radar of so many platforms. Yeah, but if you do your screening, you might be able to find out that it is a stock that is heavily traded. Yeah, reasonably heavily traded. But if it gets a consolidation, it might even become more more active, and then it might reflect on radars on the radar of so many platforms. But as things stand right now, caution is warranted. But the algo seems to be suggesting, given that there might be a consolidation and all those sort of things, it might. I don't know. I can't exactly say for sure, but the algo seems to be suggesting that it's going to pick up momentum. It does not mean that it's going to deliver profits. It doesn't mean that it's going to deliver profits. So what we know surely is that it is heavily. It's the average. It's been heavily traded. Yeah, going by this floats of 8.1. So a 50-day average of 8.142, and its float is around 3 million. So it's been drawing a lot of activity. So let's see how all of this will go, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.